Hello, we are from Joy Sublimation. We are one of the leading importers and distributors of sublimation products in India. We specialize in 3D sublimation phone cases. In this video, we are going to show you how to print 3D sublimation phone cases. 3D sublimation phone cases are one of the hottest selling products online right now. In this video, you will completely understand what are the things required to print the phone cases and also how to make them in detail. So, to print the phone cases, we need 3D sublimation vacuum machine ST3042. This is the best and the most successful machine of the sublimation industry till now. This machine is budget friendly and can print a lot of sublimation products. Gloves. These are heat resistant gloves used so that your hands are safe while printing. Blank phone cases. These are 3D sublimation phone cases with sublimation coating on all sides. Molds. These are made of alloy and used to keep the phone cases in shape while they are heated. Tape. This is a heat resistant tape which does not melt in heating. Image. The image is to be printed on sublimation paper using the photo printer and sublimation ink. Cooling tool. This is used to keep the phone case in shape after it's hot and ready after printing. Let us now print a phone case live to show you how it's done. The first step is to switch on the 3D sublimation machine using the power button on the top left. The next step is to set the time to 8 minutes, then set the temperature to 180 degrees. In the next thing, click the heating button so that the machine starts heating. Give the machine some time to reach the temperature of 180 degrees. Till then, we can prepare the phone case to be ready for the sublimation process. Take the printed image and cut the extra corners of the paper so that the image is matching the size of the phone case to be printed. There is a specific style of cutting the paper so that the print comes perfectly. Do observe the way we are cutting it and also the place where we are fixing the tape. Then put the mold inside the phone case and stick few more tapes firmly such that the phone case gets fixed onto the mold. Now the phone case is ready to be put in the machine. After the temperature in the machine crosses 180 degrees, you will hear a beep sound. Open the machine and put the phone case inside the machine and click the vacuum button. Once you click the vacuum button, you will observe that the silicone sheet gets pulled down and gets fixed firmly on the phone case, creating a vacuum. Now with your hands, press the corners of the phone case and the top to ensure the vacuum is holding the phone case tightly and there are no gaps. This ensures that the corners of the phone case are also printed perfectly. Now close the machine and hit the timing button and you will see the timer ticking backwards. After the time is over, the machine gives a beep sound. You can then remove the phone case and tear off the paper on the phone case. Remove it from the mold, and here is your perfectly printed 3D phone case. The next step is to put the phone case in the cooling tool, adjust its sides and let it cool down for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then it would be ready to use. If you are new to sublimation business, we can help you get started within 24 hours. We have all the equipment and materials required to start sublimation printing business ready, and we can ship them to you the same day. If you are already into sublimation business, we can help you grow your business exponentially. Now you must be wondering, how can we do that? We can give you a very competitive price for all the materials you are already purchasing. We can give you the best service. We can discuss ideas to scale up your business based on our experience working with many companies like yours. We hope you like the way we have explained the process in this video. Joy Sublimation is not here just to sell products. We are here to provide you the best service and also great customer experience. We are here to ensure you are successful in running your sublimation printing business. We are more than happy to clear all your doubts in starting and running your sublimation printing business. Do hit the like button if you really like this video. To get updates about more such useful videos, do hit the subscribe button. Visit our website sublimationjoy.com